Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, chances are here you came across me through Instagram DMs. You're probably a health coach who is already posting, sharing content, maybe even trying to sell online, but scaling still feels messy. So, in the next few minutes, I will walk you through the real reasons health coaches get stuck, the simpler systems that can fix it, and how this build and release protocol install everything you need so you can finally hit 10 to 20k months without chaos or the burnout. Alright, let's get into the problems that I see health coaches are facing today. The first problem that I notice here is health coaches are still trying to sell info only products. That means they are stuck at selling the meal plans, PDFs, guide, or the pre recorded courses at high ticket prices. So that they're just sharing knowledge, and when they just share knowledge, clients don't pay for it because clients are now smarter. They want accountability and the real implementation. They want 101 support, and that is what the coaches who are winning today are building. They are offering the 101 support to their clients and changing their offers to the best of their clients' capacity and to the best of how they can help them. In hybrid ecosystem, you still provide the structured sources like the meal plans and all, but they are all customized along with the 101 accountability and also a supportive community. And when you do this, you stop being the knowledge seller and you become a true transformation provider. That's when you can charge the premium prices, attract better clients, and scale your delivery all without the burnout. The second problem I see, and honestly, it's one that kills momentum before you even launch. Overcomplicating your system and launching it in the wrong order. Most of the health coaches are still drowning in the messy CRMs and the broken automations that literally make no sense. And on the top of it, they're launching it too early or skipping the necessary steps that is resulting into the wrong offers, wasted time and wastage of money. The reality is very simple and you should tie a note of it. The thing is, the simple lean systems scale better than the complicated ones. And if you follow a clear phase wise launch plan, you avoid the chaos and keep the focus where it should be, that is on your client's results. And that is why you should build a phase wise launch plan with the exact steps, that is fixing your order, system, content, sale, and finally you can scale. Nothing messy here, nothing is skipped, just you are following a clean path. This not only just save time but eliminate the wasted tools, remove chaos and gets you launching faster and smarter with an install lean infrastructure. And all of this works very great when you combine it with the lean infrastructure, backend automation and delivery systems that actually work. So instead of stressing about the tech, you finally avoid the chaos, save time and launch programs that are optimized for the results and a world class client experience. The third problem that I have been observing is that health coaches are posting reels and stories and tips that gets likes, and that is good. But trust me, likes don't pay the bills. Without a system, your content ends up attracting the wrong audience, attract the people who watch but never buy. The coaches who win aren't chasing vanity metrics, trust me. They run content engines that attract the right audience, nurture trust, and then convert that trust into the high ticket sales. That is what you should be actually doing. So what you should be doing right now, you should be building a content engine that attract your audience, nurture them and convert them. How you can do is attracting the audience with the short form content, nurture them with the long form like the YouTube videos, masterclasses and email sequences, and finally convert them with the proven sales assets like vessels and the websites. And trust me, when your content runs on a system, every post has a job, that is to move someone closer to your buying. And suddenly you don't need 100k followers, you just need the right few thousands of people who already trust in you and are ready to invest. And that is how content goes from attention to actual revenue. The fourth problem that I have been observing now is that health coaches don't have a predictable sales system because maybe they're relying on the inconsistent DM strategy, hoping some query comes to them and they sell their courses to them. But trust me, this does not happen, and which is why their revenue feels inconsistent and their client acquisition system feels broken and literally stressful. And this happens because scaling without sales system is literally impossible. The top 1% coaches don't rely on luck, They run structured sales flows that can handle both inbound and outbound consistently. And this is where you should be installing a complete sales system. You should be using the VSS that pre-frame and qualify your target audience. You should be having the pre and post call sequences that nurture your audience directly. Trust me guys, here you will be seeing that you're booking very less calls, but your conversion rate will skyrocket from here. Cherry on the top is that you can always and always run the outbound systems like running the story sequences so that your audience is getting nurtured again and again. And when you do this, sales become a system and you literally stop chasing, you start closing. Clients flow in consistently and you finally can scale without the stress. So the problem fire that I have been observing is that health coaches don't have infrastructure, content and sales system working together in the sync. And that is when most of the coaches hit a wall here. Because trust me, the coaches scaling 6 to 7 figures monthly are not literally doing everything all together. They have the proper systems in place. They have the right tools for the right thing, doing it and working for them. And when all the systems are together, the client acquisition becomes very predictable, and the leads that were getting missed out will be turning into the predictable revenue by fixing this one sinking problem. And when you do this, your systems becomes very lean, the infrastructure become lean, and finally you can focus on the one thing that you can do the best, is delivering a world class experience to your client. How you can do this is by installing a hybrid ecosystem where the infrastructure, content and sales system are fully integrated. Then you can always leverage the automation and AI funnels that connect seamlessly to create one growth engine for you. So this will give you a predictable 10 to 20k months or even more, giving you more freedom and consistency. And when this happens, your clients stay longer with you, they want to work with you, they give more reference for you, and your business never hit a stop break. The last problem that I've been observing is that the health coaches focus only on the front end sales and not the retention, and that is why the clients who buy once leave them. There is no assassination model wherein clients move to the higher levels. You are not upselling to them, okay? And the revenue is only depending upon chasing the new leads and not retaining the new clients. And but trust me guys, your future clients are the ones you already serve, okay? Because referrals does really brings business. So you need to be focusing on delivering the best services to your clients, host proper email sequences, host proper workshops sometimes, and nurture your community, free or paid, whatever it is, so that the client or the community members, your clients, should be feeling really valued. I know those problems can feel overwhelming. I've seen countless coaches face them, but the solution isn't more hustle. It's about installing the right infrastructure so everything runs in a sync. Let me show you a framework called the launch protocol, and let me show you how it can work for you. And with the help of this protocol, you can literally start revising your systems. So the first pillar of the path is called L, learn the market. You need to understand that there are chances right now that you are speaking to audience broadly, and when you speak to everyone, you could attract the wrong people, including the freebie seekers, cheerleaders and the people who will never invest. So the first step is to micro niche your offer. You can do this by simply identifying the 5 pillars of your target audience. Let's say they should be having the urgency to pay, ability to pay, access, proof and personal fit. That means, are you capable to solve their problems? So when you figure out these 5 answers, you will be able to go from I help anyone with the bloat to I end the 3 p.m. crash for working mom with a 30-day glucose reset. If you see the difference, the level of clarity doubles your clicks and application. So this level of clarity you should be having. Perfect. So now that you are clear on your market, you need to shape your offer. You need to understand that clients don't buy your time, they buy the outcome. Your method should have the unique mechanism, something simple, memorable And you should be building your offer in the three phases mostly, let's say the foundation, transformational, and the elite. So this way you protect your time and serve your audience of the different levels, and you are able to confidently charge the premium by doing this. Why? Because you have confidently defined and redefined your offer into the three levels. So next thing you should be doing is taking the best use of the funnel and create the best one that you can. If your link in the bio feels like a maze, you are losing on the people. Your funnel should be clean. It should be one pager that depicts one promise, one application, one calendar. It should be having simple front end like clear challenge if it is, or clear webinar CTA, or join the group clear CTA, and the smart backends like the tags and reminders with the mailings and SMS, whatever it takes to get the calls booking done. When you do this, you stop losing the leads and start booking consistent calls. So guys, cherry on the top is that if you have free or paid community, you guys can literally host some sort of challenges inside that, and you can literally observe all the people who join the challenges, who are consistent, who are not. So those who are consistent, you can literally go to them directly into their DMs and talk about that. You literally observe their transformation, and you can go more into details that can help them fix their XYZ problems. Okay, so you can again upsell here. And to the ones who are not very consistent, you can go with like you can help them 101 with your this framework. Okay, that is where you can sell your systems, you can sell your expertise by doing this. So once you have everything sorted in terms of the funnel, next you need to do is nurture your audience with your content. Likes and saves are never ever gonna pay you, but beliefs do, beliefs will. When you get this rhythm running, your audience move from consuming tips to trusting you enough to buy from you. Your content can literally include everything that can help your audience, including the meals, guide, travel protocol, supplement, templates, etc. But it should be you who should sit on the top of their head to help them and give as much as value you can, so that they feel guilty of not buying something from you. Pillar of the path is that convert with sales system. Guys, you need to understand that most coaches don't have a sales problem, they have a sequence problem, and here is a quick fix to that. See guys, you need to understand that most coaches don't have a sales problem, they have a sequence problem, and here is a quick fix to that. Always and always you should qualify your audience with a short form. Okay, walk them through 7 slide plan, send them a recap with a clean checked out link, and follow up respectfully. Do this and you will close more and more, no matter the calls are few, but you will be able to get the calls converted. And finally, the delivery part. Many coaches celebrate sales, but then the revenue rests, referrals dry up, and the clients drift away. Instead, treat delivery as the start of your next wave of growth. Check-ins, quick wins, early testimonials, memorable graduations, alumni rhythms, all of these things you should be taking a note of and should be documenting everything. And when you do this, 30 to 50% of your revenue comes from the referrals and the old clients. Your client lifetime values doubles up in just 2 months when these wins literally show up. Guys, trust me, you're not alone. Most of the health coaches are stuck in the same cycle, chasing the clients, drowning in the content, and patching together the broken system. But it doesn't have to be that way, right? When you put up the right ecosystem in place, everything feels simpler. The systems start working for you and not against you, and that is what the build and release offer is about. So that is where I come into picture. What I can do here for you is to build out everything wherein you will save time, remove chaos, gain the predictable client flow, convert content into the paying client, and scale your 10 to 20k months finally by delivering the world class transformation to your clients, keeping them for the longer amount of time, and also open yourself to a global market, all while freeing up your time. So guys, I would love to show you how this offer looks like for you exactly. If you are serious about growing, this is the time in 2025 where you should be going all in. All you need to do is to book a one-on-one call with me from the link below, and we'll brainstorm your offer together. So guys, if you literally need help in building out your own infrastructure, content systems and everything, book a call from the link below. See you on the other side.